Hi, welcome to AI Lessons for Kids with AI Erik. Let's get started.
Hey kids, welcome to lesson number 4. Today we're going to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. That's when machines try to think like people. We're also going to meet someone very important, Alan Turing. Alan Turing was a super smart man who helped create the first ideas about how computers could think. He even made a special test called the Turing test. It checks if a machine can talk so well that you can't tell if it's a person or a computer. Today, we'll learn about who Alan Turing was, what the Turing test is, how his ideas helped build the amazing AI we have today.
Hello there. My name is Alan Turing. Back in 1950, I invented what's now called the Turing test. Back in the 1940s and 1950s, I worked on some of the world's first computers. They were huge machines that filled entire rooms, nothing like the small tablets and phones you use today. I was very curious about one big question: could machines ever think like people do?
So Alan Turing came up with a special game, what people now call the Turing test. Here's how it works. A person asks questions by typing on a computer. They can't see who's answering. It could be another person, or it could be a computer program. If they can't tell which is which, the computer passes my test.
What kind of questions would you ask in the Turing test?
You might ask things like, how do you feel when it rains? Or, what would happen if your ice cream fell on the floor? Or, can you tell me a story about a flying elephant? These questions need understanding and imagination to answer well.
Computers find it easy to answer questions like what is 1,000 times 1,000? But they have a much harder time with questions about feelings, jokes, or creative ideas. That's because real thinking isn't just about following rules, it's about understanding the world.
Has any computer passed your test yet, Mr. Turing?
Some computers can fool people for a few minutes, but no computer has completely passed my test. Even the smartest AI today can get confused by simple questions that any child could answer.
In 1997, a computer called Deep Blue beat the world chess champion. Many people thought this meant computers were becoming as smart as humans. But Alan Turing knew that playing chess and truly thinking are very different things. Computers can calculate huge numbers, remember lots of facts, search through millions of books instantly. Humans can understand feelings, make up new stories, know when something is funny, learn from just one or two examples. AI Kids, lesson number 4, 5 rules to remember about AI and people. 1, there are many kinds of intelligence. Being smart can mean solving problems, being creative, showing kindness, not just answering questions fast. 2, humans are special. Computers can't feel emotions, tell stories from the heart, or imagine new worlds like you can. 3, humans and computers can make a great team together. People and AI can solve bigger problems by using their different strengths. 4, always think carefully about AI. If someone says AI is smart, remember it's smart in a different way than people are. 5, your human skills are priceless. Creativity, kindness, and understanding will always be powerful, even in a world full of technology. Okay, kids, this is AI Kid lesson number 4. I'll see you at lesson number 5.